You can customize various features in your Atlantis machine. To change the amount of powder dispensed, press the stop button for 3 seconds to enter programming mode. The display would show Premix 1 3.75. To make the drink in canister 1 stronger, increase the amount of powder dispensed by pressing coffee. To make it lighter, press T. Once done, press half to save your changes. Don't forget to save your changes. To do the same for canister 2, enter programming mode and press the stop button repeatedly till the display shows Premix 2 3.75. Now repeat the above procedure. To change the amount of water in every cup, enter the programming mode by keeping stop pressed for 3 seconds. Press stop repeatedly till the display shows Water 1. To increase the quantity of water dispensed for drink 1, press Coffee. To decrease it, press T. Press half to save your changes. To do the same for water in drink 2, enter programming mode and press stop repeatedly till the display shows Water 2. Now repeat the above procedure. To change the temperature of the water, enter the programming mode by keeping stop pressed for 3 seconds. Press stop repeatedly till the display shows temperature 88. Press coffee to increase it or tea to decrease it. Remember to press half to save your changes. Contact us for any queries or help.